Hello friends, let's discuss one more trick but very useful configuration at API manager level. Okay, so let's look at my scenario. So let's say I have an API and it has multiple URI paths or endpoints, I would say. Okay, and I want to apply a policy, but I want to exclude a specific URI path when I'm applying a policy. Okay, so how we can achieve this? So by the way, we can apply one policy n number of times on your API by using option called, you can go at the resource level and you can apply that option. So let me show you that option quickly. So if I go and look at any API, and if you want to apply a policy here, add policy, select any policy. Let's say security level, I'll select threat protection. So here you can apply this policy only once if you select API configuration to all API methods and resources. Only once you can apply this policy. But if you go to the second option, here you have option to apply this policy multiple times for a specific scenario. Let's say I want to apply only for a get method of a specific resource, that you can do. Or you can select a specific resource and you can select a URI template regular expression and you can define your regular expression here. So that is one scenario, one policy you can apply n number of times on your API for a selected method for selected resource. Okay, let's go back to our scenario. So I have 3 endpoints. I want to exclude transaction. Okay, and I'm expecting that only the policy should get applied on customers and account resource. How can I achieve that? Okay, so I can go ahead and I can apply the policy saying that, okay, I'll write a regular expression. I'm saying that in the URI path, wherever transaction is there, don't apply this policy. So where I can add this regular expression, I can take it. I can go back to my resource level here and I can say this regular expression I can mention over here. And what will happen now? It will say that don't apply the policy on the transaction. And other than that, other than this, you can go ahead and apply. So for now, I have just selected only get method. So get method of other resources, this policy will get applied. Okay. So if you want to exclude, you can bring the regular expression and that regular expression will help you to either add the resource or exclude the resource. Okay. That's the trick I wanted to discuss here. And if you like it, okay, share with your friends. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Thank you.